Ever wonder how to make more money as a Leo? I'll show you the top 5 skills that could help you earn more money. Today, we're going to talk about what it takes to be a lucrative Leo. There are many ways for Leos to earn income in their lives, but there's one thing they all have in common. They need some skill sets that will give them an edge over other people who also want success. Let me introduce you to these skills with 5 simple tips on how you can excel at each of them. Analytical skills. Leos need to be able to see what is and isn't working and make adjustments to maintain a competitive edge. If you're good at understanding data, measuring the success of your work, and picking out patterns, then analytical skills are important for Leo's income. It's important to have analytical skills to be successful. You can't earn more money if you don't know how to see what's working and what isn't working. Ability to work independently. Leos need to be able to work independently because they aren't known for their teamwork skills. If you're good at working on your own, making decisions, and delegating tasks, then this is an important skill that will lead to higher pay. Don't feel bad about not being the team player, because Leos are strong individuals who need to stand out from the crowd. Working independently is important for Leo's income because you can't earn more money if you have to constantly ask for help or guidance. Patience and persistence. Leos may be good at picking up work and getting things done quickly, but they can also be extremely impatient. If you're good at maintaining a positive attitude, even when the going gets tough, then you'll need patience and persistence as a Leo. Do your best to keep your cool during stressful times because it's important that Leos have these skills to earn more money. Strong communication skills. Leos are strong communicators because they have a lot to say and want people to listen. If you're good at public speaking, writing, and networking, then this is an important skill that can help your income grow. It's important for Leo's income that they have the ability to communicate with other people about their needs and wants because you can't earn more money if you're not saying what you need to say. Creativity. Leos are creative individuals who think outside the box and come up with new ideas on a regular basis. If you have a mind for problem solving, making connections between seemingly unrelated things, and thinking of new things, then creativity is important for Leo's income. It's important that Leos have the ability to think creatively because you can't earn more money if your ideas are old and unoriginal. Analytical skills, the ability to work independently, patience and persistence, strong communication skills, and creativity will give you a leg up in earning more money as a Leo. Use these 5 tips on how you can make more money and excel in the workplace. I'm sure you've heard the saying, Leos are born leaders. With these skill sets in place, it won't be hard to become a leader that earns more money. As long as you have analytical skills, can work independently and with patience and persistence, communicate well with others, while being creative, there is no reason why Leos cannot make more money. These 5 tips on how to make more money will help your income grow by leaps and bounds. Check out this video, Zodiac Signs That Don't Get Along at All, and I'll see you in the next video.